I'm with the University of Windsor, and we are here in Lake Ontario to study the movements of Chinook salmon. For this project, we are using acoustic telemetry transmitters that are inserted into the stomach cavity of the fish. We have instruments in the water that can hear the signal transmitted by those tags within the fish, so they can record the physical location of the fish and what depth the fish is. There is a reward that we offer for the return of these tags. There is an external tag on the fish that has a phone number that you can call to collect your reward and return the tag. The number to call is 519-790-9285. If you're interested in finding out more information about this and other projects that we do at the Great Lakes Institute for Environmental Research at the University of Windsor, please visit us at www.uwindsor.ca/GLIER.